If I'm starting my new business, I want to know how many units I must sell, how much gross profit I must make to reach at no profit, no loss stage. I want to know how many units I must sell in order to break even, how many units I must sell in order to achieve a target profit. I want to know what is my margin of safety. So, CVP analysis, cost, volume, profit analysis is the topic that will help us to find answers to these questions. So, let's start with the help of an example. How to calculate break-even point in units. In order to calculate break-even point in units, we must divide fixed cost by contribution per unit. We take selling price, we deduct variable cost out of it to reach at contribution. So this is how we calculate contribution margin. This is contribution per unit. So in this case, we have the fixed cost, which is 84,000. We have contribution. Contribution is 12. So we can calculate now break-even point. We have to take fixed cost and we must divide that by contribution margin. So business must sell 7,000 units in order to break even, in order to reach at a stage of no profit, no loss. That's break even. Okay, so we have found answer of part A. Now part B. In part B, they are asking us how many units business must sell in order to generate a profit of 60,000. So you can see formula here, required profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution margin. So required profit is 60,000 pounds plus fixed cost are 84,000. Contribution per unit is 12. So we can solve this one. This divided by 12. So that's 12,000 units. So these are the units that are required to be sold in order to generate a profit of 60,000. Now question is, what is margin of safety? Margin of safety is the difference between the budgeted sales and break-even sales. It's a measure of risk. If margin of safety is bigger, that's better. If margin of safety is lower, that means more risk for the business. So let's calculate margin of safety. MOS margin of safety. Okay, 8,000 units budget. minus break even is 7,000 units. So margin of safety units will be 1,000. 1,000 units are margin of safety. If we want to calculate MOS, margin of safety, in percentage, then MOS in percentage. So it's 1,000 divided by budgeted sales, which is 8,000 times by 100. So you can see margin of safety is 12.5%. My name is Fahim Ahmed, and at Stars Academy, we provide standard and revision classes for performance management. Our group course is £495. We also offer one-to-one tuition for £795. A 40 hours advanced course for £795. All courses include structured learning, exam focused preparation, and past paper practice. If you want proper guidance to pass with confidence, you can join Stars Academy. For enrollment or free guidance, please contact us on WhatsApp. The numbers are shown on the screen. Thank you.